Here with winning pitcher Ty Taylor. Ty, you go 7 1/3. You give up 2 runs to the #1 hitting team in the Lone Star Conference. Tell me what the game plan was going in, and tell me how well you think you executed it.
From the first 3 games, we saw that they struggled away, so we just stayed away the whole time, and worked out for us. I mean, just try to hit my spots, and the ones I missed, they got some hits. The ones I did, when I hit my spot, then we got outs, and it worked out well.
Last 3 starts for you, ERA of in the low 3s against 3 really quality opponents, 3 teams that really could hit: Delta State, Kingsville, now Eastern New Mexico. Now that you're 7-8 starts into your time here at ACU, you've played at a big-time level. Just give me a report card on how you feel like you're doing so far.
I feel like I'm doing better, and the coaches and everyone, Rod is calling a great game now. We're on the same page, and it's been working out for us.
And just maybe one final thought about losing the first game of a series like this, the way you lost it. It really felt like a kick in the gut. And then to come back and win 3 straight, tell me what that says about this team potentially.
We just have a lot of tenacity in us, and we like to, we don't like to be on the bridge, but when we were, we bounced back and fought tooth and nail and worked out.